Hello guys, it's me Caroline, and for today's video, may another first impression or quick review na naman tayo for today. So, ito yung product na to. It's Shawil Makeup Mineral Glamour Crystal BB Cream Hydrating. So, excited na akong ma-share sa inyo guys. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm back. So, this is the product. Shawil Makeup Base Mineral Glamour BB Cream in the shade of Natural. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, yung napili natin guys is in the shade of Natural. Ayan. So, it's very affordable and accessible. Trending siya online, so sabi ko, why not gawan ko siya ng review and ma-share sa inyo since 1 month ko na rin siyang ginagamit. So, ayan. I believe it's available in different shades such as tan, so if morena ka, pwede yun. Ivory, so I choose natural because it gives subtle correction to achieve natural looking finish. So, kaya ito yung pinili ko since I have a light to medium skin tone, kaya ito. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ina-apply sa mukha ko. I'm just only using my clean finger. So, pwede rin naman kayong gumamit ng makeup brush or sponge. So, ang kiniklaim ng product na to is all-in-one function na siya. Nakalagay naman dito sa kanyang packaging. So, all-in-one function, meron siyang moisturizer, primer, and ang kagandahan pa guys, meron siyang SPF 30. So, pang-protect sa sikat ng araw, sa UV rays. So, yun yung kagandahan dito. So, nakalagay naman dito yung direction kung paano siya ina-apply sa mukha. Ayan. Get a small amount on the back. Apply appropriate amount on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Pat the cream into your skin. Step 4. Alternatively, gently blend it outward. Gently pat the cream around your eyes. Okay, dab extra on to cover imperfections. So, ayun. Okay, so try natin siya. See? Okay, so bago ko siya i-apply sa mukha ko, sa key face areas ng mukha ko, tingnan natin yung consistency niya. Look. It's creamy but not too runny. Ayan. Okay, so I'm using my clean finger. Okay. Alright guys, so as you can see, first swipe pa lang, look, na-even out niya agad yung skin tone ko. Alright, so parang nag-filter. Okay guys, so ayan. So, eto yung meron. Ayan. Eto naman yung wala. So, parang na-lighten niya agad yung skin ko. It can really illuminate your skin once na ginamit mo to. Alright guys, look at the difference. So, eto yung wala. Eto naman yung meron. So, diba? Laki ng pinagkaiba. So, let me finish the application. Everyone, so I'm done applying Shawil BB cream on my face. So this is how it looks like. Now let's move on to our pros and cons about this product. Okay, first, yung nagustuhan ko sa product na to, it's affordable price point. BB cream na may moisturizer, primer, plus meron pa siyang SPF 30 na kasama. ay napakamura and it's accessible. Madali po siyang mahanap. Meron ito sa Shopee, sa Lazada. So, it's perfect for everyday use. So, if you're working in the call center, and night shift ka and gusto mo pa rin magbukang fresh, so give it a try. So, if nag-work ka naman sa department store, pwede mo rin itong gamitin. Kung gusto mo lang ng no makeup look or everyday use, yung parang nag-filter ka lang, tas ang fresh mo pa rin tignan. Okay, so ayan, maganda siyang gamitin para sa mga makeup beginner. So, ang next na nagustuhan ko pa sa kanya is yung natural finish. So, meron ako nabasang isang feedback. Ang sabi doon, it can illuminate skin. And yes, that's true based on my experience. Actually, naubos ko na yung isang tube nitong Showil BB Cream. So, ayan. Ito na yung panibago. And ito naman guys yung ayan. So, pangalawang tube na to. So, 1 month ko na po siyang ginagamit. So, sabi ko, why not hindi ko siya gawan ng review and then i-share ko sa inyo. So, para sa akin kasi, worth it na siya, napakamura and yung quality panalo. So, tayo mga mami, naghahanap tayo ng mga beauty product na hindi ganun kamahal. It's affordable pero quality. Like this Showil BB Cream. So, ayun. And yung nagustuhan ko pa sa kanya is yung kanyang light to medium coverage. So, for me, sapat na po yung coverage na nabibigay nitong Showil BB Cream sa face ko. It can cover my minor redness and yung blemishes ng mukha ko, yung pinagbakatan ng or yung pimple mark ng mukha ko. So, once in-apply ko to, feeling ko ang fresh ng mukha ko, yung parang no makeup look. So, I'm using this every day. Showil BB Cream. Now, let's move on to cons. So, yung mga hindi maganda about this product. First, it's limited shade range. So, ayun. Compared to foundation, even meron na siyang 5 shade, hindi pa rin niya, kulang pa rin yun para makater yung pangkalahatang skin tone ng Pilipino. So, pahirapan pa rin para sa mga mas may deep skin tone. So, it's challenging na makahanap ng perfect match. So, luckily, nahanap ko itong Showil BB Cream in the shade of natural because it's subtle correction. Nabibigay niya yung tamang skin tone ng ng complexion ko. So, yun. Kaya napili ko itong shade na natural. Next, oily skin tone. Okay, so like me. So, kailangan ko lagi mag-apply ng powder para maset sa skin ko at para tumagal din siya. So, yun yung isang hindi ko nagustuhan. And yung third guys is yung potential sensitivities. So, nag-research ako at ayon dun sa online analysis ingredient, itong Showil BB Cream ay mayroong parabens and fragrance. So, yun. Hindi po siya recommended sa lahat, especially sa mga may sensitive na balat o yung mga may prone reaction sa product. So, for me naman, based on my experience, since 1 month ko na po siyang ginagamit, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng redness or breakout. Kaya, up until now, ginagamit ko pa rin siya. So, yun lang naman yung mga hindi ko nagustuhan sa Showil BB Cream. Now, let's move on to rating. Okay, I will give it 9/10 or 9 out of 10 stars. So, for me, almost perfect na siya. So, there's only room for improvement. So, sana yung kanyang coverage mabuild pa and yung longevity ng product na to is mas tumagal pa sa skin. Like for example, mas tumagal pa siya ng 5 to 8 hours kahit hindi ka gana mag-apply ng polvo. So, makontrol yung shine ng mukha. So, yun lang naman. Almost perfect na siya. Now, let's move on to our rating about this product. Showil BB Cream. Okay, so yung rating ko about this product, ang ibibigay ko is 9/10 or 9 out of 10 stars. So, almost perfect na siya. So, there's only a little room for improvement lang naman. Yung gusto ko lang sana ma-improve guys is yung kanyang coverage. Mas tumagal pa or mas ma-build pa yung kanyang coverage. And yung kanyang longevity, mas tumagal. Mas maging buildable pa yung coverage ng Shawil BB Cream at yung longevity niya, tumagal ng 6 to 8 hours. So, kahit konti lang yung powder na i-apply mo, so, kakapit pa rin yung product. So, hindi siya madaling pupupas kahit na expose ka sa araw. So, yun lang naman. Alright, my final verdict about this Shawil BB Cream is if you're looking for affordable and yet accessible product, try it. It's really worth it. If gusto mo lang na ma-even out yung skin tone mo, yung parang nag-filter ka lang, and gusto mo magkaroon ng natural, fresh looking, maganda tong Shawil BB Cream. So, if oily skin ka naman, huwag mong kakalimutan mag-apply ng powder yun para makontrol yung shine sa mukha mo. So, ayun guys, sana makatulong itong aking review about the Shawil BB Cream. So, it's worth a try. Gagamitin ko pa rin siya up until today naman ginagamit ko pa rin siya guys. So, ayun. If nagamit mo na tong Shawil BB Cream, please comment down below. Share mo naman yung thoughts and experience mo about using this product. If nahiyang ba siya sa'yo, nagkaroon ka ba ng redness or breakouts? And if may gusto pa kayong product guys na gustong i-preview sa akin, please comment down below. So again, thanks for watching. It's Caroline. See you on my next